everybody there? Can you hear me? Please settle down. Hi sir, please settle down. बाकी सारे कौन है ये वीडियोग्राफर्स हु आर स्टैंडिंग? आप प्लीज थोड़ा सा पीछे हो जाना. अगर आप यहाँ पे इतने सारे हो तो फिर अच्छी फोटोज और वीडियोस आनी चाहिए, मेरी भी और सबकी यहाँ. मोंटी कर दी. आप ही रेडी या Hello everybody, I hope you're all well. That was mic check. Sorry guys. I hope everybody is good over here. How's Delhi? क्या बात है? दिल्ली वालों में एनर्जी नहीं है आज. How's everybody? They are fine. They are well. Is anybody good over here? You're good? Who's the best over here? ये जितने भी टीम वाले आए हैं वो तो बेस्ट के लिए ही आए होंगे, आई एम श्योर. A very, very warm welcome to the grand launch of World Tennis Cricket League. And I am Shefali Bagla and I couldn't be more excited to be a host for your league. And we are in Delhi. बाहर बहुत सर्दी है, लेकिन यहाँ इतने सारे लोग हैं, लाइटिंग भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. एंड जो शो हम आगे प्रेजेंट करने वाले हैं आपके लिए, उससे गर्मी बहुत हो जाएगी इधर. एवरीबडी एक्साइटेड? इज एवरीवन एक्साइटेड? यहाँ से आवाज़ ही नहीं आ रही यार. अमन थोड़ा सा शोर मचाओ. ऑलराइट, सो वी आर ऑल गियर्ड अप एंड super excited to see the launch of the World Tennis Cricket League. And first, let's just clap for the organizers and for all of us present here. Let's just give us all a huge round of applause. Thoda sa aur louder. Okay, let's raise a right hand up. Right hand up, everybody. And now your left hand up with your right hand up. And then clap. Well, thank you so much. Cheers to one and all. Let's begin the launch of the World Tennis Premier League. But first, after 2 spectacular seasons, we have Legends 90. To understand more about it, we're going to play a promo at my back. Let's have a look at it first. What a spectacular promo, isn't it? But we're all here for the World Tennis Cricket League. So let's the proceeding begin. Cricket in all its forms continues to captivate hearts across the globe. And one format that resonates deeply with enthusiasts is tennis cricket. What began as a local passion has transformed into a global phenomenon driven by creativity and community spirit. Taking this loved format to unprecedented heights, the World Tennis Cricket League is here. Welcome to the launch of this thrilling franchise-based tournament, which promises high-octane action and celebrates the legends of tennis cricket. This inaugural edition will not only redefine the game but also honor its true champions, with the Turbonator Harbhajan Singh as our brand ambassador. Ready to feel the pulse of what is next to come? All right, let's immerse ourselves in the energy, the passion, and the spirit that define this league. Presenting the official promo of the World Tennis Cricket League.
अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांध लो, मौसम बिगड़ने वाला है।
Wow, that was absolutely electrifying, isn't it? Can we have a huge round of applause for the World Tennis Cricket League? Well, guys, this is just the beginning. A lot more is about to come. All right, ladies and gentlemen, tonight we are not only just revealing a league, we are celebrating the spirit of tennis cricket in style. It's time to set the stage ablaze and meet the captains of the 7 teams in a way you've never seen before. Get ready to witness a unique fusion of sports and fashion, designed and curated by the incredible Rosie Aluwalia. Okay, so let's call the first team first, representing the heart of the nation, Delhi Dilwale. Let's welcome the fearless captain of Delhi Dilwale, Bunty Patel. Can we have you on stage? Guys, can we cheer them up? Next up is the pride of the East, Kolkata Tigers. Now the captain of Kolkata Tigers, led by the dynamic Jagat Sarkar. everybody. Let's keep the energy in this room buzzing. Now bringing to you the spirit of the city that never sleeps, Mumbai Kings. Let's reveal the jersey of the Mumbai Kings. Can we call the captain of Mumbai Kings, led by their bold and brilliant captain, Ejaz Qureshi. Let's clap for them, guys. This is soon going to be your team, so let's clap for your team. Now from the land of vibrant energy, it's Punjabi Sher with their roaring leader, Pawan Kane, will just follow the model after she walks in. Can we clap for the jersey reveal of the Punjabi Sher? The captain of the Punjabi Sher walking with the model, Pawan Kane. Alright, now it's time for the next team hailing from the royal city. It's Rajkot ke Raje. Let's call their charismatic captain, Shreyas Kadam. Shreyas, can we have you on stage? बहुत सीरियस लोग बैठे हैं यहाँ पे. Can we have a huge round of applause for them? Now straight from the fields of Haryana, it's Haryana Gladiators. Led by their fearless captain, Nagendra Chaudhary. Nagendra Chaudhary, everybody. Can we give a big round of applause for them? And finally, the last team, the seventh team representing the Southern Pride, Telugu Stars. Can we reveal the jersey of the Telugu Stars? Well, that's a bit vibrant. Let's call the captain of the Telugu Stars, captained by the ever-spirited Karan Ambala. Such vibrant jerseys. I really love all the colors. They are almost as colorful as the rivalries that's going to be in the league. All right, everybody. Can we have a huge round of applause for all of them? All the captains and the jersey reveals of their teams. I would request all of you to stay here on the stage. The stage is set and the energy in this room is absolutely electric. But hold on, because the night's about to get even bigger. What's a league of this scale without a true icon to represent? A cricketing legend who's not just known for his fiery performances but also for his unparalleled passion and indomitable spirit. Who could it be? Well, let me just say this. He has faced the fiercest opponents, delivered countless unforgettable moments, and earned the love of millions around the globe. Tonight, he steps into an exciting new role to embody the heart and soul of the World Tennis Cricket League. Are you guys ready for this moment? Are you guys ready? To truly honor him, we need to take the energy in this room to an absolute peak. So ladies and gentlemen, let's raise the roof and give an electrifying welcome to the one and only Harbhajan Singh. Let's welcome the Turbinator, everybody. क्या बात है, मुझे लगा अर्जुन वैली बजेगा अभी आते ही. Can we have a huge round of applause for Harbhajan Singh? Thank you so much. And now to acknowledge the creative brilliance behind this spectacular sequence, it's my pleasure to invite the incredible and talented Rosie Ahluwalia to join us on stage. Rosie, your vision and artistry has truly brought the spirit of this league alive tonight. A big round of applause for her contribution as well, everybody. Now, let's capture this iconic moment as everyone strike their best pose. This is a picture-perfect moment to start the World Tennis Cricket League. Can we have a huge round of applause for them? A quick photo op, please. Just quickly click the pictures. Welcoming the brand ambassador of the league, Harbhajan Singh, in style, and all the captains along with their vibrant jerseys. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you, models. Now you can take your backstage. Thank you so much. A huge thank you to Rosie, to all our captains, and of course, to one and only, the Turbinator, Bhadji, for gracing the stage and making this moment unforgettable. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a big round of applause as they make their way off the stage. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You can go and sit down when we call you back. We call you back. Okay. So the captains have gone back. You can capture him. Okay, can we have the captains back again on the stage? All the 7 captains on the stage. Yes, all the captains on stage with their vibrant jerseys on. The captain of Delhi Dilwale, Bunty Patel. Kolkata Tigers, Jagat Sarkar. Mumbai Kings, Ejaz Qureshi. Punjabi Sher, Pawan Kane. Rajkot ke Raje, Shreyas Kadam. Haryana Gladiators, Nagendra Chaudhary. And Telugu Stars, Karan Ambala. Thank you so much. Everybody is so excited to pose with Bhadri. By the way, you're looking so stylish today. Thank you so much. I would just request you to please go backstage where I'll call you again. Thank you so much. What a fantastic start to the evening, everybody. We have seen the captains, we have felt the energy, we have interacted with Bhadri and got a glimpse of what this league is all about. But behind every team in this league is a story, a vision that brought it to life. To uncover these stories and introduce us to the visionaries behind this league, I'm handing it over to Yasha Sagar. Over to you, Yasha.
Thank you, Shefali. Good evening, everybody. May I see the team owners? Where are all the team owners at? Can you raise your hands? May I see all the team owners? The team owners here? WTCL, right? Dubai Giants. All right, we're moving to Dubai Giants. Let's talk to the team. Dubai Giants. So I'm with the team Dubai Giants. We'll interact a little bit with them. Hello. So it's an exciting day. It's the launch of WTCL. What are you looking forward to the most in this league?
Very excited to be part of World Tennis Cricket Premium League. It would be very excited and a great future for the Indian cricket also. So I am on the behalf of my brother, Prince Dhingra is not available. So we'd like to do good things for the team, and it would be a very happening tournament. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Let's move to another team. So I'm joined by Mr. K. Sarwani from JK Group. Hello, sir. How excited are you with the launch of WTCL?
It is a very wonderful, and we are very thankful to the organizer for inviting us, and we will be the part of it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So I'm joined by Mr. Gaurav Batra from Chhattisgarh Warriors. What qualities will you prioritize picking the players in the league?
Well, we are here to enjoy the game, not thinking too much. We'll just go with the flow.
All right, thank you so much. I'm joined by Mr. Abhinav from UP Lions. How do you see tennis cricket growing in India? Like, what do you see the potential?
The potential is good. There are lots of tennis cricket coming up. I think last year Sachin was also engaged with tennis cricket, tennis ball cricket. So it's a good, and the future prospect will be very good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Yasha. We are running short of time. Well, thanks for this wonderful interaction. And now it's time to delve deeper into what makes the World Tennis Cricket League so special. Joining me on stage are two individuals whose passion and commitment have been instrumental in bringing this league to life. Please join me in welcoming back on stage the legend himself, Harbhajan Singh, and the visionary behind WTCL, the Managing Director, Shiven Sharma. We would request you to be present on the stage. Harbhajan Singh and Shiven Sharma, please come on stage. Can we have the legend, the Turbinator, and the brand ambassador of our league, Harbhajan Singh, on stage, please. Welcome back, sir. Now can we have Shiven, the MD of the league WTCL, Shiven Sharma, on stage. I would just request you both to be seated. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Let's begin by hearing about the vision behind this exciting league, Mr. Shiven Sharma, the MD of WTCL. We are intrigued to know what has inspired this journey and the road ahead. Yes. Tell us about your inspiration and the vision.
I can't really hear you, Shifali. I thought you were asking us to see the EV. मैं उधर देख रहा था कि शायद
आप ही छाए हो सर, आपकी ही फोटो दिख रही है यहाँ पर.
But good evening, everyone. Lovely to be here in Delhi today with all of you all. और आज हम कुछ ऐसा करने जा रहे हैं जिसकी शुरुआत जो है इस भारत के मुझे लगता नहीं कि कोई भी क्रिकेटर होगा जिसने टेनिस बॉल नहीं खेली होगी. तो आज हम एक ऐसे मंच पे हैं, एक ऐसी लीग की शुरुआत करने जा रहे हैं जिसके चलते हम आने वाली जनरेशन को एक मंच देंगे कि जहां वो अपना टैलेंट के हुनर दिखा सकें. वर्ल्ड टेनिस क्रिकेट लीग, और आई एम सो हैप्पी टू बी एम्बेसडर ऑफ दिस लीग. और हम अपनी कोशिश करेंगे कि हर गांव से, हर कस्बे से, हर वो जगह से टैलेंट को ढूंढ के लाएं और उनको एक ऐसा मंच दें जहां से उनको पूरा भारत खेलते हुए देखे. और उसी टैलेंट को अगर हम आगे लेके जाएं तो वो उसी टैलेंट में से बहुत से जो लोग हैं वो इंडियन क्रिकेट के लिए भी खेलें. जसप्रीत बुमराह यूज्ड टू प्ले टेनिस बॉल क्रिकेट, मुनाफ पटेल, धोनी, और मैंने भी बहुत खेला है. बट आई थिंक मुझे नहीं लगता है कि कोई भी क्रिकेटर जो है वो बिना टेनिस बॉल के जो है वो क्रिकेटर बना है. और अगर बरसात भी हो जाती थी ना टेस्ट क्रिकेट में कभी कभार, तो अंदर टेनिस क्रिकेट बहुत होती थी. सो आज मैं जुड़ा हूँ इस मंच पे आप सबके साथ और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आगे चलते हुए हम इसको बहुत बड़ा करेंगे और इसी उम्मीद के साथ चले हैं. और हर चीज़ जो है वो छोटे उससे होती है. सोच जो है हमारी सही डायरेक्शन में है, जहाँ हम टैलेंट को नर्चर करेंगे और आगे लेके चलेंगे. और इस सोच को तब्दील करने में आप सबका सहयोग चाहिए और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सबका सहयोग हमें मिलेगा.
Thank you so much for your powerful words. भज्जी, अब आपको मेरी आवाज़ सुनाई दे रही है properly. I've changed my mic for you.
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Can we have a huge round of applause for him? Shiven, I would like to ask you, please tell us about your vision.
Good evening, everybody. I am Shiven Sharma, Director of WTCL World Tennis Cricket League. And it's an absolute honor to be present in front of you on an auspicious occasion of the launch event of WTCL. Cricket, as you all know that cricket is not just a game, it's an emotion that runs in the blood of every player out there. And as you compare leather ball cricket with tennis ball cricket, there are very less opportunities available for tennis ball cricket in India. So I had a vision that we should do something for tennis cricket, as we're also doing Legends League titled as Legends 90. So here we are launching WTCL for those players who genuinely want to showcase their talent on a larger scale and tell the world that who they are and what kind of capabilities they have. And this platform can give them the name and fame they actually deserve. So let's embark on this beautiful journey together and make WTCL a global brand in the spirit of tennis cricket. Thank you so much everybody for joining us and making this evening even more beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Shivain. Can we have a huge round of applause for him as well? Thank you so much. And we are really, really looking forward to this league, WTCL. And now we have a special gesture to honor the driving forces behind the teams. Our brand ambassador, Harbhajan Singh, and the MD of WTCL, Shivain Sharma, will present the team owners with signed jerseys, a heartfelt token of gratitude for their unwavering support and belief in this league. Team owners, may I invite you to join us on stage, please? Can we have the team owners? The representatives of the 7 teams that we have now to join us on stage. Meanwhile, can we get the jersey, which is to be signed? Can we get the jersey on the stage, which is to be signed by the Turbinator? Let me call out the team names. Delhi Dilwale, Kolkata Tigers, Mumbai Kings, Punjabi Sher, Rajkot Ke Raje, Haryana Gladiators, and Telugu Stars. Can we have the representatives from all these teams on the stage? Good to see the representatives on the stage. By the time we have the team owners decided, let's have you all on stage, please, representing all the 7 teams. Do we have a jersey to be signed? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the photo op. Thanks to everybody. Can we have Hemant Banyal on stage? Mr. Hemant, can we have you on stage? Thank you so much. We are happy and excited to have you on stage. Let's just have a quick photograph. Let's just pose for the cameras. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining us on stage. We can all just now step down. Thank you so much, Shivain. And to Bhaji, thank you so much for adding such significance to this evening with your presence and for making this moment unforgettable. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up once again for the remarkable Harbhajan Singh. Can we give him a huge round of applause? All right. Before we conclude, the members of the press, the floor is open for your questions. Please raise your hand and we'll bring the mic to you. Any questions from the media? Bhaji has answered all the questions, and from the promo also, I'm sure that you're aware about the league and what is yet to come. You can just simply raise your hand if you have any questions in particular. Are the media people here? Do we have any questions? Yes, I can see the hands over there. Can we hand over the mic?
Hello.
Please take this mic. Thank you.
Hello. Over here. Hello. Harbhajan, my question is for you. Over here. Yeah. If you can elaborate more, I mean, anybody can answer. If you can elaborate more on the union of cricket and tennis. Yeah.
Elaborate on what?
Elaborate more on
The union
the
of
union.
two games, cricket and tennis.
Can you elaborate more on your question, ma'am, please?
Yeah. This is a very different kind of league. I mean, where we are going to have.
It is a different kind of a league
Yeah.
because I feel everyone started with the tennis ball cricket.
Yeah.
सब जो शुरुआत होती है तो वहीं से होती है, गली से, मोहल्ले से, छत से. तो वहाँ या तो रबर बॉल से क्रिकेट होती है या टेनिस बॉल से होती है. मेरी भी शुरुआत वैसी हुई है.
जी.
और ये इसको बड़े मंच पे लेके इसलिए जा रहे हैं कि बहुत सारा जो टैलेंट है जो टेनिस बॉल तक ही खेलता है, गली तक ही खेलता है, वो सीमित रह जाता है.
और
तो
cricket
हमारी
तक
ये
नहीं
एक अपनी सोच है कि वो टैलेंट जो है अगर वो बड़े मंच पे दिखाया जाए तो वो बच्चे का भी प्रोत्साहन होगा, उसको भी एक सामने एक आइडिया मिलेगा कि मैं यहाँ से अपना कैरियर देख सकता हूँ. क्योंकि अगर आप देखें तो बड़े बड़े खिलाड़ी जो हैं वो टेनिस बॉल खेल के ही लेदर बॉल पे शिफ्ट हुए और उसके बाद दे वेंट ऑन टू प्ले फॉर इंडिया एंड दे हैव मेड अ नेम फॉर देमसेल्फ एंड कैरियर फॉर देमसेल्फ. So this is an opportunity for all of them who wants to play cricket, but they don't have the right platform. So we are setting a platform for them to come over and play this beautiful game. And उसमें आपको अपना career भी बना सकते हो और fun part भी है जो आप enjoy कर सकते हो. And that's what we are trying to do, ma'am.
हेलो, मेरा सवाल ये हरभजन दे दें चाहे शिवेन दे दें, इस टूर्नामेंट के लीग जो है आपका, इसके थोड़ा फॉर्मेट के बारे में बता दीजिए और ये कहाँ पर होगी? एक ही शहर में होनी है या अलग अलग जगह पे होनी है?
हेलो.
हमने अभी तक कुछ इस बारे में डिसाइड नहीं किया कि किस शहर में हम जाएंगे, बट हम ट्रायल्स लेने जाएंगे. 50 सिटीज़ हम कवर कर रहे हैं. वी आर कवरिंग 50 सिटीज़ इन 5 टोटल 5 zones देयर बी देयर, लाइक नॉर्थ, साउथ, ईस्ट, सेंट्रल एंड वेस्ट. And each zone will have 10 centers, and there the players can come and register themselves and they can get selected. There will be the whole process. Everything will be there on the www.wtcl.com. The players can register themselves online, and they can get the updations on the website only.
और जहाँ तक वेन्यू की बात है ना, वेन्यू विल डिसाइड ऑब्वियसली आफ्टर 4 months when we have a lot of players coming in, signing in, and we will conduct the trials in different city, different part of India. और उम्मीद करते हैं कि वहाँ से जितना बेस्ट टैलेंट निकाल के एक जगह पे लाया जाए, उनके कैंप्स हो, और ऑफ कोर्स उसके बाद वो डिसाइड करेंगे कहाँ क्रिकेट वो करवाई जाए. हो सकता है वो सूरत में हो सकता है वो पंजाब में हो. विल डिसाइड द वेन्यू देयर एंड देन कि कब वो होना है और कौन सा वेन्यू होगा. हो सकता है 4 वेन्यू हो जहाँ डिफरेंट भाग में वो क्रिकेट खेली जाए.
अच्छा हरभजन, ये एक गुरु मंत्र आप टीमों को दे सकते हैं कि टीम में ज्यादा स्पिनर्स रखने फायदेमंद रहेगा या फास्ट बॉलर्स को रखना?
किसमें सर?
टीमें ज्यादा अपने अंदर फास्ट बॉलर रखें या स्पिनर्स रखें, इसमें कौन फायदेमंद रहेंगे?
ये तो चॉइस सब टीम ओनर्स की है कि उनको सारे स्पिनर रखने हैं या फास्ट बॉलर रखने हैं. बट आई फील इस देश में हर बंदा जो है वो क्रिकेट एक्सपर्ट है, सबको क्रिकेट समझ आती है, और हर बंदा जो है उसको पता है कि उसको फास्ट बॉलर भी चाहिए, स्पिनर भी चाहिए, बैट्समैन भी चाहिए. विल बी कॉम्बो ऑफ एवरीथिंग लाइक व्हाट यू सी इन ऑल फॉर्मेट्स. तो इसमें मुझे लगता है कि इस फॉर्मेट में भी कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. इसमें भी जो गेंदबाज हैं आपको उसी तरीके से चुनने होंगे कि स्पिनर कौन होंगे, फास्ट बॉलर कौन होंगे. हाँ, टेनिस बॉल स्पिन कम होती है, उसको स्पिन कराने के तरीके अलग हैं. इसमें जैसे कैरम बॉल है, उस तरीके की बॉल ज़्यादा चलती है. तो वैसे टैलेंट आपको बहुत देखने मिलेंगे. आप बालाजी का नाम सुना होगा किसी ने, लक्ष्मीपति बालाजी. वो भी टेनिस बॉल क्रिकेट खेलते थे. एक बार तो उनको अपहरण कर लिया था कि फाइनल मैच से पहले उसका अपहरण हो गया कि ये मैच नहीं खेलेगा, क्योंकि ही वॉज द वन हु यूज्ड टू टेक ऑल 4-5 विकेट्स. तो आपको ऐसा बहुत टैलेंट जो है वो देखने मिलेगा.
Well, thank you so much, media. We are running short of time. Bhaji has to catch a flight. I'm really sorry. I think he has answered all your questions, and you can find all the information on the website. We'll also provide you the official press release, and you can find everything on the deck as well. Thank you so much, media, for being present over here. I know you have a lot of questions.
एक सवाल ले लेते मैडम, एक सवाल ले लेते.
Okay, let's take this question, the last question.
हरभजन, मैं राजेश टोटल खबरें से हूँ जी. हरभजन, जानना है कि आपका क्या रोल रहने वाला है इसमें, और दूसरा ये है कि कितने ओवर्स का ये मैच होगा. ये
देखिए, मेरा रोल जो है वो सिंपली ये रहेगा कि जहाँ जहाँ जिस शहर में जो टैलेंट पूल बनेगा, उस टैलेंट पूल को जो चुन के लाएंगे वो लड़कों को, वो सारे जो टैलेंट को चुनेंगे उनको नियुक्त करना, और टैलेंट को जो है अपने साथ जोड़ना. बड़ा टैलेंट, बहुत सारे ज़्यादा जो लोग हैं जो हमारे साथ जुड़ेंगे, उनके ऊपर नज़र रखना और उसको टैलेंट को और बेटर करते हुए आगे की तरफ बढ़ना, ये मेरा रोल रहेगा. और फॉर्मेट जो है, फॉर्मेट मुझे लगता है कि जो मेरी सोच है, जो मैं बैठ के बात कर रहा था कि 10 ओवर से ऊपर नहीं होना चाहिए. हालांकि मैं चाहूँगा कि 8 ओवर का मैच हो, बट फिर भी वो देखेंगे. ब्रॉडकास्टिंग के ऊपर बहुत कुछ डिपेंड करता है, हमें टाइम स्लॉट क्या मिलता है, कितने ओवर का वो स्लॉट हम कर सकते हैं मैच, तो उसके ऊपर बहुत कुछ डिपेंड रहेगा. बट कुछ यूनिक लेके आएंगे फॉर्मेट जहां दर्शकों को भी मज़ा आएगा.
जीतने वाली टीम को क्या मिलने वाला है, थोड़ा वो भी अगर बता दें तो.
हाँ जी,
जीतने वाली टीम को क्या मिलने वाला हो, कितना अवार्ड उसको मिलेगा?
जीतने वाली टीम को क्या मिलने वाला,
क्या मिलेगा?
अभी ये हमने डिसाइड नहीं किया कि जीतने वाले को
एक तो ट्रॉफी तो रहेगी और कैश क्या मिलने वाला है? एक तो ट्रॉफी तो रहेगी और इसके अलावा और क्या मिलने वाला है?
भाई, जीतने वाले को जो नाम मिलेगा उसका कितना बड़ा नाम होगा जब पूरी भारतवर्ष उसको देखेगा टीवी पे खेलते हुए. और उसके अलावा आई एम श्योर विल हैव प्लेंटी ऑफ अवार्ड्स, जो शायद वो बाइक के रूप में हो सकते हैं, कार के रूप में हो सकते हैं, या फिर बड़े कैश के रूप में हो सकते हैं. तो वो डिपेंड करेगा, जैसे टाइम आएगा विल डिसाइड ऑन दैट कि क्या वो होगा. अभी आज की डेट में तो हम डिसाइड नहीं कर पाए हैं कि क्या होना चाहिए. बट आपके पास अगर कोई ऐसा वो हो कि यार आपको ये करना चाहिए, सुझाव आपके पास हो, वी आर मोर देन हैप्पी टू हेयर यू आउट एंड सी इफ वी कैन टेक दिस फॉरवर्ड.
सबकी नजरें इस पर होने वाली हैं. ब्रॉडकास्ट होगी ये लीग, जीतने वाले को एक तो मौका मिलेगा एंड ढेर सारा प्यार भी मिलेगा. थैंक यू सो मच भजी, हार्टफेल थैंक यू टू यू. to be present over here. Thank you so much, Shiven.
Thank you.
Well, and with that, we have reached the conclusion of today's event. A heartfelt thank you to everyone for joining us and being part of this historic launch. The World Tennis Cricket League promises to be a game changer, and the countdown for the first ball being bowled has officially begun. Thank you so much. Can we have a huge round of applause for both of them? All right, everybody, stay tuned, spread the word, and get ready to witness tennis cricket like never before. But before we call it a night, we invite you all to join us for dinner and continue the celebration. Thank you once again, and have a wonderful evening. Thank you so much. Good night. This is your host, Sandosh Shefali Bagga, signing off.